To use a Visa gift card on DHgate, start by logging into your DHgate account or creating a new one if you do not already have one. Once you are logged in, add the items you want to purchase to your shopping cart. When you are ready to check out, click on the shopping cart icon and then select the checkout option. On the payment page, select the credit or debit card option as your payment method. Enter the 16-digit card number from the front of your Visa gift card in the required field. Then enter the expiration date and security code, which is usually a 3-digit number found on the back of the card. Make sure to enter your name and address as it appears on the gift card. If it is required, if your gift card has a balance that is less than the total cost of your order, you will need to use a different payment method to cover the remaining balance. After you have entered all the required information, click the Pay Now button to complete your purchase. You will then be taken to a confirmation page where you can review your order details. If everything looks correct, click the Confirm button to finalize your purchase. It is also important to note that some sellers on DHgate may not accept Visa gift cards, so it is a good idea to check with the seller before making a purchase. Additionally, make sure to keep track of your gift card balance, as you will not be able to use it once the balance has been depleted. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully use your Visa gift card on DHgate. Remember to always keep your gift card information secure and only use it on trusted websites to avoid any potential issues.